fucking play around like this. Oh, it's not actually too bad today. Hot. Those fucking YouTube videos.
Ooh, it's not bad. Did you get it? Is there any in there?
No. There's just one. Okay, they're right here.
Where? Are they dead?
Nope.
How is it? There's...
No, son of a bitch!
Where is it?
It was on my shoe!
Oh my
Gross ass!
god! Wait, were there any on my side?
I didn't see any on the driver's door. They were just in the back.
Let's look at the shoe.
Shut up, man.
Check my side again, dude. Why is there not a lot for you? There were like 30 on my side yesterday.
I've been sitting out here for like a couple hours. So fucking nasty. Alright, let's go.
They're all out?
Yeah. Oh my god. Shit. Let's jump in the car.
They have to drive around our shit. What was it? What was it?
What did this thing like?
I just saw you freak out for no reason. Make sure the broom's cleaned off, dumb
I
ass.
did. I popped it on the ground.
Okay, pop it in.
That's so fucking disgusting. You just caught that like I was freaking the
That
fuck
shit's
out.
going on YouTube for
Oh
real.
my God, no. Oh. Alright, let's go.
That was embarrassing, but funny. Check your shoes before you get in that shit.
I did.